Mr. President, the total direct employment that PEZA has contributed to the country for our Filipinos has already reached 1,357,684. And the total exports income just for January to July 2017, Mr. President, PEZA's export has already reached $25.048 billion. Mr. President, the investors are very excited to help your administration.
And
now we'd like to request everyone to turn their attention
sa piling
to
mo,
the next for a short
di ko
presentation.
mawawala ang korupsyon. Tayo na Pilipinas, tayo na magbago. Hawak kamay tayo para sa pag-asenso. Ikaw at ako, tayong lahat kay Rodrigo Duterte, para sa tunay na pagbabago. Masdan mo ang paligid, palamak mga krimen, rape, droga at mga nakawan, dapat nang mapigilan. Tayo na Pilipinas, tayo na magbago. Hawat kamay tayo para sa pag-asenso.